In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make eToro dark mode. If you spend a lot of time tracking markets, charts, or your portfolio, switching to a darker theme can make a big difference. It's easier on the eyes in low light, can reduce glare, and often makes key elements like prices and charts stand out more clearly. The good news is that turning on dark mode in eToro is quick and straightforward. Everything you need is in the same place. Go to Settings, open the Display section, and choose Dark. I'll walk you through what that looks like so you know exactly where to tap or click. Start by opening eToro on your device. On the web, look for the Settings option from your account or profile menu, typically in the side panel or top corner. On mobile, open the main menu, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, find the section labeled Display. This is where eToro groups visual preferences like themes. Open Display, and you'll see the theme options. Select Dark, and the interface will switch immediately. You don't need to save anything. The change takes effect right away across your watch lists, charts, and portfolio view. If you prefer to test it before committing, switch to Dark and scroll through a few key screens. Check how your chart colors, portfolio list, and newsfeed look. Many users find that candlesticks, price changes, and alerts have better contrast in dark mode, especially at night. If you don't see a display option, make sure your app is up to date. Updating to the latest version usually brings the display menu back if it's missing. If the theme doesn't change after you select dark, try a quick refresh on web or fully close and reopen the app on mobile to apply the setting. Remember that you can always switch back the same way. Go to Settings, open Display, and pick Light if you're working in bright environments or prefer the classic look. Some devices also offer a system default theme. If you see that option in Display, choosing it will let eToro follow your device's day and night schedule automatically. That's all there is to it. Head to Settings, open Display, and set the theme to dark. Take a moment to get comfortable with the new look and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable trading experience, especially during long sessions or after sunset. If this helped, consider keeping dark mode on whenever you're reading charts for extended periods. It's a simple change that can make monitoring the markets more pleasant and focused.